Are you looking for the best dash cam of 2023, but don't know which one to choose because of the different options that are available on the market? In this video, I will show you the top 5 best dash cam of 2023 and their key features plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, onlybest.com. Number 5. Vantrue N2 Pro. The Vantrue N2 Pro is an excellent dash cam for new drivers, as well as drivers looking to upgrade their current dash cam setup. It features a front-facing camera and an interior-facing camera, so you can record both the road and passengers as you drive. The front camera captures video in 1440p resolution at 30 frames per second, while the interior camera records in 1080p at 60 frames per second. You also can change the front camera to 1080p/60 fps for smoother playback at faster driving speeds. For power, you can either use the included 12V adapter or purchase a hardwire kit to connect the camera to your car's battery for nearly unlimited runtime. The front camera uses infrared night vision to capture clearer images in the dark and even has a 24-hour parking mode, which uses motion detection to only capture footage when something moves near the car. It supports micro SD cards up to 256 GB for storing videos, and the camera records in loops, so you never have to worry about offloading old videos. The camera will automatically overwrite old videos when the card is full. The built-in G sensor automatically detects when a crash or other accident happens and stores relevant video for later viewing. There's also an optional GPS unit you can buy for accurate location tracking to help emergency services get to you faster in the event of an accident. Number 4. Nexar Beam. If you're looking for a dependable dash cam that won't break the bank, the Nexar Beam is an excellent option. This dash cam retails for less low price, while still giving you awesome features like motion detection recording. The front-facing camera captures video in 1080p for clear images, and the included 32 GB micro SD card can store up to 4 hours of dash cam footage. You also get unlimited free cloud backup storage for video, so you can have them on hand for insurance purposes if needed. And no need to worry about offloading video on a regular basis. The Nexar Beam automatically loops and overwrites old video when the card is full. With the companion smartphone app, you can set up automatic updates for the camera so it's always ready to go. You also can use the app to create detailed collision reports, complete with G-force, speed, and location information, as well as related videos. If you forget where you parked your car or if it gets stolen, the app provides detailed location info so you can get your vehicle back safely. It even sends out SOS messages to emergency contacts in the event of a crash so that you can get help faster. There's no monthly subscription fee. The cost of the dash cam covers your lifetime usage of the app and its features. Number 3. Garmin Mini 2. If you drive a commercial truck or for a ride-sharing service, you need a dash cam that can store dozens of hours of video, since you may not have reliable or frequent access to a computer to offload footage. The Garmin Mini 2 supports micro SD cards up to 512 GB, which allows your dash cam to store almost 31 hours of 1080p video. The large capacity makes it great for road trips, long-haul trucking, and full-time rideshare drivers. The camera is also incredibly compact, measuring just 2x1x1 inches, so it won't obstruct your view while you're driving. The Garmin Mini 2 uses built-in voice controls for hands-free use, so you can start and stop the dash cam record while driving without taking your hands off the wheel or your eyes off the road. You also can remotely access the dash cam with your smartphone for live video streaming, allowing you to check on your vehicle while it's parked. In parking mode, the camera uses motion detection to automatically start recording when it senses movement. Number 2. Vantrue N4. With 3 different cameras, the Vantrue N4 allows you to get almost 360 degrees of video coverage for your car while you drive. The main camera records the road in front of your vehicle as well as the interior, while the second camera can be mounted on the back of your car to record behind you. When used by itself, The front-facing camera can record up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second for smooth playback. And when used with the other two cameras, it still records in 1440p, while the interior and rear cameras record in 1080p. All three cameras are equipped with night vision for recording in the dark, as well as motion detectors for capturing video when motion is sensed around the parked car. The built-in G-sensor automatically detects when you've been in an accident, or when something hits your parked car, saving recordings for evidence. The Vantrue N4 supports microSD cards up to 256 GB, allowing you to record up to 15 hours of video in 1440p. The camera automatically overwrites the oldest file on the card for loop recording, so you don't have to worry about clearing out the microSD card. An optional GPS unit is also available to buy, which lets the camera record routes and location information. That can be helpful for parents of new teen drivers as well as family members who want to ensure senior family members are protected on the road. Number 1. Nextbase 622 gigawatts. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts is a new flagship dash cam, and it's proven itself as the best dash cam you can buy right now. In our tests, it delivered much improved video quality and better stabilization, along with the inclusion of what 3 words geolocation services for pinpointing stricken vehicles within a 3-meter radius. When we chose to shoot in 4K/30p, the resulting footage looked almost cinematic in its presentation, with extremely crisp definition and great detail, even in poor lighting. This makes it much easier to pinpoint registration numbers or pick out hard-to-see elements of an accident. A built-in polarizing filter on the front of the camera can be rotated to reduce glare from windscreens, while digital image stabilization is another first for the dash cam market and helps smooth out those bumps and shakes caused by potholes and poor road surfaces. Like its 522 gigawatt sibling, this model can be controlled via your voice with Alexa skills. But it requires the accompanying smartphone app to work, which we didn't rate as the best we've tried. Despite new dual 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi, we found that it still had trouble connecting with phones to transfer images and video clips. Thankfully, the 3-inch rear touchscreen is crisp, clear, and very easy to use, while the inclusion of what 3 words combines well with Nextbase's emergency SOS feature, which you get a year's free subscription for with this dash cam. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. It's free. Let us know in the comments down below which best dash cam you're going to choose. If you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.